Hi, this is Jerry Holcomb, your mortgage guy, and I'm here with Christy Barlow of Adobe Title here in Dallas, Texas. They're one of the leading title companies here in the area, and I wanted to present them to you so you knew a great title office near you. So Christy, welcome. And I just want to ask you a question. Tell me, what is the role that the title company plays in the home transaction?
The main thing that we do here at the title company is to be here for the consumer at their closing. We want to make sure that they understand all of their closing documents. And the other thing that we do for them is we make sure that there are no existing liens on the property. There are two different types of liens that can attach, one to a person and one to a property. And the title insurance protects them from both of those.
That's great, because I've had some title companies out there before that really didn't do the job, and we got to the closing table and there was all kinds of issues that we had at the end and had to delay the closing. Nobody's happy in those kind of situations. So Christy, tell me, who chooses the title company?
That's an interesting question because there are several opinions on that, but it really comes down to the consumer. It's the consumer's choice.
That's awesome. It is really the consumer's choice on who they get to use. So get comfortable with the people in the transaction, that everybody that's out there to help you to close your financial transaction on the largest transaction you do, which is your home. So who is Adobe Title anyhow, Christy?
We are a very energetic team of employees that come together to make sure that we are proactive in the closing process. We want to be there for our clients, whether our client is a lender or a loan officer or they are a realtor or the consumer directly. We want to make sure that we're there for everyone on the team.
That's great. I've been at title companies that at 5 o'clock, they shut down. So can you tell me, what are the hours of operation that you carry?
What do you mean hours of operation? We actually have the belief that we can close at any time for the client. I'm a mom. I'm a very busy mom. And so I understand that the schedules can be very hectic. So one of the things that we like to do for our customers is to be able to close after hours or on weekends. I did a closing the other day for a client where the mother had to be home preparing dinner for her children, and the husband was at a baseball tournament with his son. And so I did her closing at 9 p.m. that evening at their home, and then I closed the husband at 10 p.m. after their son came home from their championship game. And they did win, by the way.
Awesome. That's great. So tell me, what experience do you and the rest of your team provide during this transaction?
Well, personally, I've been in the title industry since 2003, which actually does seem to be somewhat of a veteran position these days. My team itself, we have over 30 years experience in my direct team here in the Dallas area, and we pride ourselves on being able to not only be experienced in the fact that we understand what title insurance needs are, but experience in the fact that we believe that we're able to listen to the customer's needs.
That's great. I even know that they have someone on the team that is very experienced in reverse mortgages, which a reverse mortgage is for seniors over 62, which is really a key topic right now to help get the folks that are in that age bracket above 62 out of having to make a home payment. And they've got someone that is an expert in that, along with purchase transactions, refinance transactions, and anything else to do with the title work on your home. So, great team to work with.
Thank you so much, Jerry. I have to agree with you. We have an amazing team here at Adobe Title, and we make sure that we have a team that is very diversified to fit all needs.
So tell me, there's an awful lot of different types of title. And in Texas, there's typically two. I've heard of fee attorneys, and then I've heard of straight attorneys. Can you explain a little bit more so that the people listening know the difference between the types of attorney offices there are?
Absolutely. We are a title agency, and the difference between a title agency and a title fee attorney is that we own our plants, so we're able to get title work back much faster. The main benefit of having a title plant and being your own agency is when you're a fee attorney office, you're basically a franchise of a larger title plant. Us being the title plant directly, we focus on our clients first and foremost and are able to get title work back to them faster than a normal fee attorney office would be.
So tell me, how can people contact you whenever they're looking for their next transaction?
Well, they can always email me. I'm always available. I am told all the time to put my BlackBerry down, so feel free to contact me at any time at Christy@adobetitle.com, or you can also give me a call at our office, area code 972-528-6508, or you can visit our website at www.title24-7.com.
That's great. And by the way, those are all going to be down here below, so you don't have to worry about writing those down right now. But now, the big question is, when should somebody contact Title when they're trying to sell their home, buy a home, or refinance a home?
As a consumer, you can contact us at any point in your transaction and make your voice heard to your loan officer or your realtor and let them know that you want to be able to choose your title company here at Adobe Title. You can tell them at any point in your transaction.
You're right. You know, you do get to choose all the people that you get to work with in these transactions. You don't have to use what anybody else says. So make sure you're comfortable with everyone that's helping you along the way. And I hope you've enjoyed this. I know that Christy and her team, I've met them all. They are a great staff. They will come to you. They will make sure that your transaction closes smoothly, accurately, and on time, and with no surprises at the closing table. Those are the biggest things that I can say in any transaction, and all of them that we've done together have been flawless. I've been to other places and they're not quite the same. So make sure you contact Christy, Adobe Title, get with them and ask your questions. Make sure that you know what you're doing. This is Jerry Holcomb, your mortgage guy. I hope you've enjoyed another of my television series. And with that, Christy, I'm going to say thank you for your time, and we'll be seeing you at the next closing table.
Thank you so much, Jerry. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, you also have a choice in your lender, and Jerry has to be one of my absolute favorite loan officers in the business, so make sure you give him a call with your next transaction.
Love the plug. You guys have a great week. By the way, I wish there was something that Title could do to give you a coupon like some other companies, but they really can't because it's all state regulated in what they do. But number one, service is a bigger coupon than what anything else that you can do out there. If you've got any questions, give me a call, give Christy a call. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.